Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the Help menu in Google Gemini. So if you have your main menu visible, or if you don't have it visible, you can click on the three-line menu to make it visible. Down near the bottom, you'll see this Help option, and if you click on that, you have a number of menu choices here. You can visit the Privacy Hub. How does Google Gemini handle privacy issues? What are the recent updates? You can just ask for help. You can visit the frequently asked questions, or you can explore what is Google's advanced Gemini features and explore that to see if that is more in line with what you need. But you have a number of different things you can reach for in the Help menu if you need assistance using Google Gemini.